So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on focus mode automatically when you are on the work or some scheduled work. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the settings and scroll down until you see this option of focus. Once you are in the focus mode, here you're gonna see, for example, let's say if I want to enable do not disturb at some particular time period, at some particular schedule. Now, in order to do it, for select any of the focus mode that you want. For example, work mode. If I want to make it scheduled, all I need to do, either I can turn on this smart activation that will work on relevant times throughout the day based on my signals, like my location, if it deducts or I am on my office or anything. Or simply you can just simply add a schedule as well. For example, if you go to the office, or you can set the location as well. For example, if you set a location of your office, it will automatically enable when you are inside your office. Or for example, if you even add the timings as well. For example, if I want it from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m, I can directly hit it and the schedule will be set it, so I can directly do that. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.